Maybe I do need to check my my tire pressures. Yeah, I could use some air. I'll get some air later. Looking good though. All right, you know what? This one's actually pretty interesting. I've never seen these wheels. Look at these wheels. Why do they have those divots in them? Oh, I see it in the emblem too. Maybe that's like a design choice. I would love one of these. This is probably a fun ass car. Maybe one day. They're pretty cheap too. Like 10K under. Same with these, but people be wanting crazy prices for these. I've seen like the freaking 2010 to like 15, or I forget, maybe like around there somewhere. People want like 15-20 bands for these. That's crazy, bro. But they're clean though. I love these cars. They fit some wide ass wheels. Holy spot. That's crazy. What? That's an interesting bumper. It's a long ass car. Is this like stock setup? That's interesting. With some big tires. That can't be a stock setup. Maybe it is. That's a long ass car, bro. What the hell? It's clean. The bumper is crazy on that. That's what I want right there. 370 Nismo manual. The only running RX-8 in the world. Okay, carbon body. Okay. Fenders, hood. Oh, okay. I haven't been to a morning meet in so long, bro. So long. It's clean. No shot as an Nismo. This is the first time I've ever seen one. The louvers. I don't like the louvers, but it's nice. Some big wheels on this thing too. Probably fun as hell to drive. Can't be as fun as this though. Look at the wing. Nice little wing on there. I know people complain about the interior, but I like a nice basic interior. Cars be doing too much these days. They be doing way too much with the interiors. Bro, get a headlight restoration kit. I promise you. It's gonna look a lot better, I promise. Park the Urus next to the M4. Shit. I do love me an M4, bro. Oh, this is an M4 comp. Oh, look at that. Carbon wing, carbon diffuser. The side skirts go crazy. I'm assuming that's stock, but I don't know much about BMWs, so I don't know the trim levels that well. Oh, exhaust tips go crazy. Satin black Urus. Holy fuck, bro. That's like a damn, bro, that bitch like 30 something inches probably. What the, hold on, I need to know. That's crazy. That thing sits tall too. I like that satin black though. Maserati. I don't think I've ever seen under the hood of any Maserati. I'm not even gonna lie to you, bro. We got a nice little C5 Corvette right here. Little carbon wing. Nice little C5. Look, just like me. Oh, this is crazy. Talk about resto.
There's a Senna GTR.
Crazy. Bro, what the fuck? Alright, call me crazy. I'm fucking with this. Man, the Datsuns are out today. I'm fucking with this color. With the interior, the Recaros. Yeah. Yeah, I'm messing with this. This is nice. Oh, even this right here. That like nice metallic touch. And the wheels are like a bronze almost. Like a brown. That's nice. This one's chrome. Crazy.
He's leaving.
I wanted one of these so bad, bro. Too much work though.
Why did I get rid of mine?
Wanted one of these real bad. Definitely want one of these. Ooh, I bet bro is pushing. Clean. I want one of these bad. A Supra? Fat wing on a Supra? Some VS Works? Oh. I know bro is pushing. Pushing P. Bro is pushing P for real. Got all the bikes. Stay away from those. I don't know anything about those. Oh, hold on. Okay, y'all probably can't tell, but this white is like a cream. I'm actually really messing with this. This like cream white. I'm assuming all of these are Type R's. The new ones. Well, not these. These are like the SIs, I think. But these, that's nice. I like that cream color. Oh, there's an S2K over there. I'm gonna check those down a little bit. Don't worry. You're gonna get your time. I love this blue. Okay. It's like a Nardo style color. A little more blue than Nardo, I think. And Taggy, what? Clean. I want one of these so bad. These are too expensive. Too damn expensive, bro. I don't know the maintenance upkeep on these either. Nice little carbon hood. Bumper. Clean. Some rays. Bro got the rays on. Oh, fully carbon roof. Actually slaps. It looks comfortable in there. I know this is fun as hell to drive. Sheesh. Oh yeah. Yeah, that's all you need. I know y'all are gonna love these. Y'all some anime nerds, I know it. They're clean though. Would I ever get one? Nah, probably not. They're clean. Nice little bit of history. I fucks with it.
At this point.
Oh, okay, Mr. Vet. Oh, clean. A couple stains. Oh, the angle on that goes crazy. What the? I thought that was me. Let me show y'all something crazy. Look at this Caprice. Bro, twin turbo Caprice is crazy. What are you doing if this pull up next to you? with no hood on it? Boy, I know this thing is crazy. Tell me, what are you doing if this pull up next to you, bro? Going home? One day, bro. One day. They got the Beetle roped off. Clean M3. I need to get one of these manual. I don't even care if it's a 1LT. Clean. Little baby blue. I need one of these. Low key. Low key. Oh, it's a nice color. Check out this C5 RX-7. What is that? Oh, it's a vent. Sick. That's clean. That's clean. I like this. Bro, those tires comfortable? Guess so. They got all the Supras out. Bro, they always playing some trash music at car meets. Oh, nice. Okay. No, I mind a Supra. They're too damn expensive though. Like, it's literally either like a M3 or a Supra, and that's a tough choice. These things are like 40-50 bands, even for like the 2020 models and the non-manuals, the automatics. Not manuals, I'm tripping. Still early. Oh, GR Corolla. Okay. Y'all mess with the EV trucks? I don't mind it. I think it's genius, especially these gas prices right now, boy. Ooh wee. All right. Couple Stangs. Oh, Shelby. Okay, Shelby. Oh, this is actually mean. I ain't gonna lie, I would actually drive the. Yo, this bed is long as fuck. This is the longest bed I've ever seen in a truck. These new trucks don't even have beds that long. C8s, I know everybody hates them. I do not. I love the C8s. Don't let me get one, because I'm gonna act a fool. Oh, that's an interesting wrap. I guess you call this like a livery, I guess. I like that. I just don't know how you can hate these. Genuinely don't understand how you can hate these. It's American. We live in America. We have an American supercar, basically. What are you doing if he pull up next to you, bro? What are you doing? Oh, with the car seat in the back? What are you doing if he pull up next to you, bro? Car seat and baby in the back. What are you doing? Ooh, what's this, RS3? I swear I never see these. Damn. Big ass exhaust tips. I swear I never see these. It's a nice color too. Super nice color. They got all the Mercedes parked over here. I used to want one of these. Maybe it was an A7.
Right. I know what you mean. Okay.
And for a comp?
Okay. Well, whatever.
Jesus. Everybody got M4 comps now? I didn't get the memo.
She thought it was a palm tree.
We got a mystery machine over here.
I shit you not now. This is a true story.
Oh, I ain't touching that bed.
All different kind of stuff on it.
Crazy. Oh, a C5. Okay. Silver. No hate to this person, but I never like these wheels on the C5. There's like 3 sets of wheels that come on the C5s that I do not like. But that's personal preference. Ooh. Oh, these wheels slap. What the? I'm messing with that. Perfect. RS6. Another M4. Everybody got M4 comps. M3 comp. M3 comp. M3 comp. Golly, brother. What the? They're everywhere. A Ninja? Sheet. Check out this color. Holy. It's a nice color. That's a clean color. Clean. I saw my dream car over here somewhere. Let me get a ride, bro. Fine. Then I see this. The SV actually slaps on there. That's clean. Look at interior. The roof scoops. Nice wing. She. Couple lambs. What is this? Revuelto? Maybe. I can't keep up anymore. It's clean though. Ah, the Technica. I can't keep up anymore. They all starting to look the same. I ain't even gonna lie. Not even gonna lie. It's clean though. Very clean. Bright as hell. Wow. We're gonna fly through the supercar area.
So I can tell them to sell it.
Everybody just kind of standing around, like all in the way. This is fire. But we don't care about this. We care about this V10 R8 over here. Ooh, I wish you had the windows down. I gotta get one at all costs. At any cost whatsoever. And it's Quattro, yeah. I forgot. I would legit keep this thing stocked for like a whole year before I do anything to it. Just straight driving. Favorite car, bro. I can look at these all day. If I had this in my garage, I would just sit in my garage and just start jacking. Bruh. Sheesh. Clean, brother. Clean. Oh my God. Don't hit me. See how the Porsche section is empty? People do not care about Porsches for some reason. I don't understand. Maybe because they all look the same. Low key. I like them though. Like this clean ass GT3. Gee, I know this thing is fun to drive. Oh, wheel setup. Messing with that. Interior. Slaps. Brother. V8? I wouldn't even mind a V8. But if I'm getting my dream car, I gotta hold out until the V10, bro. I need that sound. I can hear an R8 from 100 miles away. I know exactly what they sound like. Oh. Oh. Okay. Okay. Alright, which model is this? What is this? I've never seen that before. What is that? Just like, I know they're bents, but that's just the design. That's interesting. Are they active? I don't know. Nice. Sheesh. You see how nobody's looking at the GT4 RS? Why? I don't know. This is probably one of the cleanest Porsches here. And like nobody's looking at it. It's crazy. Y'all sleeping. Oh, the headlights? Slaps, brother. I like the gray and blue. The blue wheels. Brother, brother, brother. Yeah, GT4 next to it. See, you see what I'm saying? They checked out the GT4, but not the GT4 RS. I'm telling you, people are sleeping. People are sleeping on these cars. I know ball, I know ball. Damn, I got it too late. He revved it a couple times. What do they have in these? V10s? V8s? V8 twin turbo? I don't know. I had to get away from the supercar section, bro. Everybody just kind of standing around in front of all the supercars, just like yapping away. I get it, but move. SBR slaps. That's crazy. Is that what I think it is? That's crazy. Bro, they got a Pagani over here. Can't say I've ever seen this thing before. That thing's really electric? That's crazy. Is this not the cleanest C5 here, bro? What? Is this not the cleanest one? It's gotta be. Because I ain't never seen nothing like this before.